So, going to do a quick food safety revision test. For this, you will need a pen and paper with you, and if you can number your paper 1 to 12. There are multiple choice questions. Get ready for the first question. Question 1. Vulnerable groups who could be badly affected by food poisoning include A. Teenagers, elderly people and young children. B. Babies, young children and teenagers. C. Pregnant women, young children and elderly people. Or D. Babies, teenagers and pregnant women. Question 2. Bacteria multiply by A. Cross-contamination, B. Sporulation, C. Fertilisation, or D. Binary fission. Question 3. Poisonous chemicals produced by some moulds are called A. Endotoxins, B. Exotoxins, C. Mycotoxins, D. Mucotoxins. Question 4. Objects falling into food is called what sort of contamination? A. Chemical, B. Physical, C. Natural, or D. Cross-contamination. Question 5. Bacteria need food, time, moisture, and what else to grow? A. Light, B. Darkness, C. Warmth, D. Low temperature. Question 6. The bacteria most commonly found in rice products is A. Staphylococcus aureus, B. Listeria, C. E. coli, or D. Bacillus cereus. Question 7. Under ideal conditions, bacteria can double every A. 10 to 20 seconds, B. 30 to 40 seconds, C. 10 to 20 minutes, and D. 30 to 40 minutes. Question 8. What is a spore? A type of bacteria, B. A toxin produced after eating contaminated food, C. An endotoxin, or D. A hard case that protects some bacteria from high temperature. Question 9. Which bacteria make food go mouldy? A. Beneficial, B. Pathogenic, C. Spoilage, or D. Natural. Question 10. Bacteria requiring oxygen in order to multiply are called A. Mycotoxic, B. Toxic, C. Aerobic, or D. Anaerobic. Question 11. The phase where bacteria multiply rapidly is called A. The stationary phase, B. The lag phase, C. The log phase, or D. The fast phase. And question 12. Staphylococcus aureus food poisoning usually occurs as a result of A. Inadequate personal hygiene of food handlers, B. Incorrect cooking and cooling of meat and poultry, C. Inadequate washing of vegetables prior to cooking, or D. Incorrect canning process for salmon and beef. So that is the 12 questions. You will receive a link for the answers.